Okay guys, so now we're going to open the Monster Fluffy. Someone is going to unboxing this from MART guys. Yeah, this one. Focus to this one. Alright.
Mommy, red. Why is it red? Mommy really wants me to open it, so
What we will have. So they have like how many choices? That's from MART guys. What sticker you got? They got. Mommy's got it. Oh, what's the name? Sharing. That's the name. Which one do you want actually, darling? For you?
I want this one, but I also want this one.
Sharing. So it's good then. So we got this one. Oh, this is
I
good.
want this one, but I also want this one.
They are mine. Okay, unboxing please. Unboxing please.
Wait, I'm finding where.
Ah, that one, darling. Oh, so cute! Look, oh, beautiful, sparkly also. Wow! Is it like a? No. Wow, guys, sharing the name from who's the name? Monster Fluffy, guys. So you happy, darling? Yeah, that's good. That's not double tap, I think. No. All right, guys. Bye, guys. That's what?
That's not double tape.
What is it? It's like a rabbit.
Bye, guys. It's a rabbit.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye, guys.